Hello, Jackie here, fellow Florida parent of 4 kids in school. Next school year 1920, we're entering grades 3, 5, 7, and 9. And we have been very happy and glad to be with, aha! It's my aha moment. Aspiring Heights Academy. That is a private school that we have chosen after 2.5 years of research on private umbrellas and what that means and what is it legal, is it legit, what do we do and how do we do it, and why are we doing it? Well, mainly this. We have a fantastic brick and mortar school near our home. We really do. But my husband and I travel for work and we want to take our kids with us. So that meant we needed to do some kind of home education or school at home. Well, I'm not really a home educator, like in the sense of a homeschooler where I get the curriculum and I'm just this awesome mom about like, let's get this and let's shake it up and let's look at it and see if it explodes or it's just not my thing. I can do it, but it's hard to explain. So anyway, with this school, we still pick a curriculum. We still do our own thing, but it is an amazing school. And the reason we picked it was because of the way that records are kept. They are not kept on a cloud anywhere. So again, this is my child's very personal, private information, and it's sensitive. So again, there are transferred through email, but again, I just don't like my kids' information on a cloud. Also, the cost, very low cost, and I have researched and discovered that pretty much the cost for this per child is the same. I would be paying a teacher, a certified teacher, to do my annual portfolio because my county does require that. Even though we've done FLVS Flex, and some counties will just go ahead and take the unofficial transcript screenshot or some kind of thing like that. But again, it just really is a peace of mind. I just did this. I will tell you, 2019-2020 is next school year. We just completed 2018-19 school year. And the requirement for children ages 6 to 16 in the state of Florida is attendance, annual attendance. That's the minimum requirement in the state of Florida. I don't think it has changed, but when I researched and did it all, that's what it was. And the beauty of having my school and paying this person to be the know-all, they'll let me know if something changes. So I was given an email to remind me to send in my annual attendance. So once a year, I fill out an Excel spreadsheet, figure it out. I look at our calendar, look at the days we worked and the days we took vacation and days we traveled, and I figured in all their numbers that we have documented for their school hours. My high school, or well, she's not high school yet, but this past school year, my 2 middle schoolers were needing certain hours and certain days. My 2 elementary students needed certain hours and certain days, and we double, triple checked all that, got it all in the system or in the document, and got it back to the school. Boom, I'm done. She replied to me and said everything was good. Congratulations, school year 18-19 is in the books. So I'm going to go take a picture of my kids, the last day of 2, 4, 6, 8. We were in 2nd, 4th, 6th, and 8th grade. Feels good. I feel like I'm not a brick and mortar teacher, but I know I have many friends that are, and they're like, yay. So with Aspiring Heights Academy, it is just so amazing to be able to go onto their site, to get the emails in a timely fashion, and to get everything done. So I just submitted my annual attendance. Everything's legal, good, and I'm on track, so we're good there, no penalties. Now I just re-enrolled them for the next school year. Again, very simple system. Fill out a form, depending on their age, depending on your records. They need immunizations, and I got that. They have their form, the immunizations, and the fee payment. Boom, I am done. That's it. They're ready now for 2019 and 2020. Now I just got to figure out more about their curriculum and maybe lunches and all that fun stuff. So I just wanted to share with you again, Aspiring Heights Academy is our private school option of choice because of the professionalism. We get a school ID. We are up to date on school laws, rules, and all the compliances and policies. I just feel like I'm not alone in this. Even though I could do all of this, believe me, I'm very capable of doing the paperwork myself under the home education and stuff, but I don't have to. I don't feel alone. It's just nice having another adult in the room, well, not literally in the room, but on an email and conversing with me on the phone. She and I talked today briefly about next school year and if I was doing the right thing. Because for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th grade, you can enroll a diploma. You can get a diploma enrollment, which means by 12th grade graduation, you can get a diploma. And have all the credits and have a great transcript and have everything prepared and ready for college. And she was just informing me about I just went blank, the scholarships and everything available because there's just a lot to know. So it's great to have that source and have it available to me. And it's a phone call away. So if you're interested, I don't get any referrals. I don't get any perks other than I just have a super, super, super love for this school and for the way it's being run and the way, and there's many others out there. I'm sure they're being run very well. I just know years ago when I researched and really was getting serious about what we need to do, this was the choice for us and we are remaining. So good luck to you. I am not, again, trying to push any agenda. I've said it for most of my videos. I want you to succeed as a parent in Florida. There are many, many options, brick and mortar, charter, virtual, etc., unschooling, more and more and more options out there for you. Please do what you can within your resources. And if you need more information either about Aspiring Heights Academy or the other private umbrellas or options for school, or you just need a vent because parenting and schooling is a lot of work. I'm here. I'm Jackie. I want to be your, parent friend here in Florida. Just trying to live life and do it legally and complying and all that other stuff. All right, enough rambling. Have a good one. Enjoy your summer if you have one. Some people we parent 24/7. Some people school year round, and that's pretty cool too. But we have finally, this year, I think for the first time in a long time, we're going to take the summer off. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.